Good evening, students. So, as you can see, I am back with a very beautiful poem, The Rebel. Okay, it was written by D.J. Enright. Poet name is D.J. Enright. So, you can see here a rebel in the screen. You can see? Okay, now let's start with the poem. First, what is the meaning of rebel? A rebel is a person who resists or defies laws or norms or rises up against the power that be. यानी वो ऐसा व्यक्ति होता है जो रेजिस्ट करता है, जो मना कर देता है, जो डिफाई करता है, जो डिफेंड करता है, जो रोक देता है नॉर्म्स को, राइजेस अप अगेंस्ट द पावर, और जो दूसरे शक्ति के खिलाफ खड़ा होता है. यानी कि पावर के खिलाफ, एक शक्ति के खिलाफ जो व्यक्ति खड़े होने की हिम्मत करता है, जो उसके रूल्स को नहीं मानता है, जो उसके खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं रेबल. हिंदी में अगर बोलें तो विद्रोही. इसके लिए क्या शब्द आएगा? विद्रोही. इन इट्स मोर सेंस, सीरियस सेंस, अ रेबल इज अ रेवोल्यूशनरी ट्राइंग टू ओवरथ्रो अ गवर्नमेंट. अगर और गंभीरता से इसको मीनिंग ले तो एक रेवोल्यूशनरी यानी कि एक रेवोल्यूशन करने, क्रांतिकारी इसको बोलते हैं, जो गवर्नमेंट को फेंकने की कोशिश, उखाड़ फेंकने की कोशिश कर रहा है. और एज अ नाउन, अगर एक संज्ञा के रूप में इसका मतलब लें तो रेबल का प्रोनाउंसिएशन हम कैसे बोलेंगे? रेबल. रेबल. रेबल इज ऑल्सो अ वर्ब. इसको एक वर्ब की तरह भी हम यूज़ करते हैं, क्रिया की तरह भी. इसका मीनिंग होता है रेजिस्ट करना या राइज अप अगेंस्ट अथॉरिटी. रेजिस्ट करना माने कि प्रतिरोध करना, किसी चीज़ के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाना, विरोध करना, कोई अथॉरिटी के खिलाफ खड़े उठना, कोई ट्रेडिशन, कोई रिवाज के खिलाफ, कोई अंधविश्वास के खिलाफ अपनी आवाज़ को बुलंद करना, उसको बोलते हैं. सो यू आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द रेबल इज अ रेवोल्यूशनरी, इज अ पर्सन हु स्टैंड अप अगेंस्ट समथिंग रॉन्ग. That person is known as rebel. Now let's start with the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cut his hair short. तो rebel जो है, I told you, he is always against. He is always against, खिलाफ. वो विद्रोही होता है. तो जब सब लोग शॉर्ट हेयर रखते हैं, यानी कि शॉर्ट हेयर, तो रेबल क्या करता है? अपने हेयर को लॉन्ग करता है. एंड व्हेन एवरीबडी हैज़ लॉन्ग हेयर, द रेबल कट हिज हेयर शॉर्ट. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. सी, व्हेन एवरीबडी हैज़ लॉन्ग हेयर, देन रेबल विल हैव अ शॉर्ट हेयर. बट व्हेन एवरीबडी विल शॉर्ट हेयर, देन रेबल विल वांट अ लॉन्ग हेयर. See, this is the meaning of rebel. You understand? Now, when everybody talks during the rebel doesn't say a word. Whenever we talk during the lesson, जब कोई बात करता है क्लास में, बातचीत करता है, तब rebel एक शब्द भी नहीं बोलेगा. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. And when nobody will talk, that time rebel will create a disturbance. He will disturb the class. He will talk. That means he will talk. He will say something. He will whisper something. You can see in the picture now. See, now this girl is a rebel. All the boys and girls are talking in the class. They are discussing something, but she is sitting quiet. And when the class is going on, she is whispering something in her friend's ear. So she is disturbing the class. So now this is the rebel. Okay. Now when everybody wears a uniform, you understand? Uniform means dress, school uniform. It can be office uniform. Then rebel wears dresses in fantastic clothes. Fantastic means colorful. Then he will wear colorful clothes. Okay. And when everybody wears a fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Then he will wear very sober clothes, very sober and very light clothes, not fantastic, not colorful. Okay, you can see in the picture now. See, these boys and girls, they are wearing uniform. So rebel, he will wear fantastic clothes, colorful clothes. And when everybody will wear colorful clothes, then rebel will wear very sober clothes, or he will wear uniform. So he will always be against what everybody is doing. Rebel will always be against that thing. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cat. So when everybody wants dogs, then rebel will prefer, he will say, oh, no, cats are better than dogs. So he will prefer cats. And in the company of cat lovers, when he will go in the company of cat lovers, then he will say good word for dog. That means he will be always against. He will say something unique, something different from others. See, they all are. He is loving dogs, so rebel is loving a cat. And when all are loving cat, rebel will love dogs. Clear? When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remark on the need for rain. When everybody will say, oh, see, sun is shining, it's so beautiful, I'm enjoying the sunshine, then he will say, no, there should be rain, rain is very important. And when everybody is greeting the rain, when everybody will welcome, oh, rain has come, I'm so happy, then he will say, oh, sun is not there, I'm sorry, I'm feeling so sad, there is no sunshine. So he will regret, he will feel sorry for the absence of sun. So here you see how he is welcoming the rain, greeting the rain. Actually he is trying to drink rain. And here the rebel, he is saying, oh, sunshine is good. And when everybody will greet the sunshine, then he will say, no, rain is good. So you understand the difference? When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel will stay at home and he will read book. He will not go to the meeting, he will not go to conference, he will not go to the party, he will stay alone at home and read some book. And when everybody will stay at home and read a book, then he will go to the meeting. That means he will do something opposite. All the time he will do something opposite. Okay. Now here you can see he is reading the book. He is sitting alone and he is reading the book when everybody is in the meeting. And here when everybody is sitting alone and reading the book, then he will go for the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So when everybody says yes, okay, I agree, then he will say no, I don't agree, thank you. When everybody will say thank you, then he will say yes. Okay, you can see in the picture. See, he's saying yes, then everybody will say no. And if everybody will say no, he will say yes. So now the last two lines, they are very important. It is very good that we have rebels. It says it's very good that we have rebels. Why? It is good to have rebels because very few people have the power to oppose the decision of the majority. Why? Because they oppose, they go against. Oppose means to go against. They will go against the majority. Decision means faisla. Majority means of lot of people. He will go against lot of people. He will have that power. You must have that attitude, that feeling that if you should have the strength to stand against a party. So many people are saying this thing and alone you are saying no. That means you should have the guts. They think differently and fearlessly. Their thinking is different and they think fearlessly. Stand with their choices which can be beneficial. They can be beneficial for them. They can be good for them. Like Crescograph. You know the story of Crescograph? Bose. You must remember scientist Bose, how famous he was. So he said that the scientists should be revolutionary. They should think against, because if they don't have the guts to go against the tradition, to go whatever things, then how invention will be there? Like Newton, when he saw the apple falling on the ground, that time it was a revolutionary thinking only, which told him, yes, why it is not going upways, why it is going downways. So this was a revolutionary. So it is in some way rebels are good because they think differently and fearlessly, which can be beneficial for everybody. Okay. Now in the very last line, you can see the rebels here. You can see all the scientists, very famous scientists. If they were not rebels, how we could have come with so many inventions? Then there's Rani Lakshmibai. She was a revolutionary. She fought against Britishers. So she was a rebel. That's why today we remember her. Okay. So rebels are good. Now the last line. You may not find it very good to be one. But if question comes that you become a rebel, then it is not very good. Why? Why the poet says when a chance comes for us to become a rebel, then we don't like to be a rebel. Why? To go against the flow. Flow means stream. To dhara. Jo dhara beh rahi hai. To go against, just to show that you are different or to prove your superiority is wrong. Now see, what happens? Just to show that no, I am the best. I can do it in a better way than others. Just to prove this thing. If we are going against everybody, then this is wrong. Unnecessarily breaking the law unless there is some noble cause is not acceptable. So if you are going against, there should be noble cause. Noble cause means अच्छा कारण. कोई अच्छे कारण के लिए अगर आप लॉ को ब्रेक कर रहे हैं, then it is good. But like जैसे कि nowadays government is saying please sit inside the house, stay inside, but people are not listening. They are going outside. They are disturbing everybody, and along with this they are spreading the disease. So they are breaking the law, but not for noble cause. Their cause is not good. It is not noble. So, okay. So, if you break the law, but for the noble cause, like Gandhi ji, he made salt, na? That time he broke law, but it was for a noble cause. So, that was good. So, the poet says that it is good, not good to be a rebel oneself, because one would not be accepted by the society, because our society does not accept rebels. रेबल्स को हमारी सोसाइटी, हमारा समाज स्वीकार नहीं करता, इसलिए हमको रेबल नहीं होना चाहिए. सो आई यू अंडरस्टैंड. अगर आप रेबल बनना चाहते हैं, देन यू शुड बी अ रेबल फॉर अ गुड कॉज. किसी गुड कॉज के लिए खड़े होइए, किसी अच्छी चीज़ के लिए खड़े होइए. जैसे डाउरी, यू कैन स्टैंड अगेंस्ट डाउरी. You can go against your society, that I will not accept dowry, I will not give dowry in my sister's marriage. So these things are where you need to have guts to stand. So it is good to be rebel, but not always. But if it is not on a good cause, then the rebel is not good. I hope the poem is very much clear to you. Question answers also I have discussed along with this only. You will find all the answers. And NCRT app you must have downloaded. There you will find all the question answers. So please go for it. And if you have any problem, just message me on my WhatsApp number, and subscribe the channel and press the like button, so that I come to know that you have understood the poetry. And if you want to comment, please write a comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Good night.